How to change address in CRA online. You can update your address by online or by phone or by mail or on your tax return. If you want to change your address online using your CRA account, then do this. Sign in to your CRA account. Select your individual account to access My Account. Select Profile. Go to Contact Information. Select Edit. Update your address. If you want to do this by phone, call 1-800-959-8281. Then, if you want to do this by mail, complete Form R, C325, address and telephone number change request. Mail the completed form to the address on the form. And if you prefer on your tax return, then change address. On your paper return or on your return filed electronically through a tax preparer or authorized service provider using e-file. So, this is how to change address in CRA online.